Right, good morning everyone. So today's class is a class that is based on a Hindu mythology story and the story of Garuda. And I'm going to modify it so we can have fun with the story, but we also kind of flow a little bit. So we're going to be eagles today and we're going to work on the side of our legs. So normally what happens when we sit for a long time, especially like in chairs, is that kind of everything collapses and then we kind of get really inflexible on the side of the legs. We don't really use those muscles. The idea that we start using those muscles, but in a fun way. Yeah. And at the end, we're going to learn some tricks, some kind of nice meditations. So when we're really, really tired, but we somehow kind of really sleep, we find a way of sleeping. Right? So we're going to do about 20 minutes of nice sleeping meditation, which Gabby likes. Yes, you like? Right, so today we're not going to start in a sitting position. We're going to start laying down on our mat, facing up, and we're going to start with our knees into our chest. Okay, the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to be eggs. So get really, really, really round and close like you were eggs, and start rolling side to side. So you are a little egg. And you are trying to get out, but you cannot really get out of your egg yet because it's not ready. You're not ready to hatch. You start to go side to side in your egg. Release your head down and just go side to side, side to side, maybe back and forth. Remember, you're really patient. You're really trying to get off your egg, but your egg is really strong, so you cannot get out. Again, stay down and then go side to side. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a nice practice for your back. And then slowly we start to feel that our egg is going to open. It's going to allow us to leave, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start pushing our egg with our foot, with our right foot. Start pushing your egg. Push your egg. Keep the other knee towards the chest and keep pushing the egg. Come on, let us out. Maybe use your toes to get us out. Oh, one leg went out. Ooh. Move that leg. Make circles with your leg. That leg is out. He's feeling the he's feeling the nice air outside. Ooh. Circles to the other side. We're finally free. Circle to the other side. We're going to see mom soon. Mommy. Right. Change. So again, push. The other leg is going to have to push through the egg.
And what about the other leg? It goes back in the leg?
Yeah, it goes back because it's a little bit cold. So push. Maybe use your toes to push the shell. And finally the shell breaks and our leg is free. Move that leg around, move that foot around, move the foot around to the other side. Take both legs out. Move them around. We're very happy that our legs are free. So move side to side. Now we have to do the same with our arms and we're going to break the shell through the sides. Remember that we have wings now, we're birds. So we're going to bring our hands into our shoulders, into a wing, and we're going to try to break the shell with our wings. So move side to side, side to side. Rub that shell, rub that shell. Nice. And finally, we feel that the whole shell is breaking, breaking, breaking. So we can start moving our wings a little bit more. Move your wings. Make circles around. Keep going around in circles. Beautiful. Stay down, stay low, down into the mat. Finally, keeping the hands as wings, we're going to start rocking back and forth. And we're going to try to sit down without using our hands. Ready? So bring the legs to the back and then forward. Then legs to the back and then forward. Then legs to the back and then forward. Hi, Green. And finally, sit down with your wings. Make circles with your wings. We're free. We're out of the shell. So make circles around with your wings. Circles to the other side. We still don't know how to fly, so we're going to learn. That's the first thing we're going to learn. How to fly. Ready? So practice flying here. Just move up and down, up and down. Stretch side to side. Go one side and go the other. You have been a long time. So in this case, Garuda, this kind of big eagle man creature we're going to be today was 500 years in an eggshell. Imagine being 500 years in an eggshell. That's a lot, huh? What would you do 500 years in an eggshell, Gabby? You would get bored very soon.
But isn't there like things inside the eggshell?
There is food.
So eat.
Eat. Yeah, you would eat a lot and grow tall. Right. Beautiful. Moving side to side. Move now, making circles with your chest, using your spine to move around. And release a little bit your wings. Let them now flow a little bit bigger. Flow. And we're going to start into our travel for flying. Gabby's really having a lot of fun with this. So bring your feet forward, yeah? And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to really open our legs so we can start flying because we don't really know also how to walk. So first we walk and then we're going to start flying. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our arms.
So why doesn't mommy teach us?
Mommy? Well, mommy is teaching you. Mommy is teaching you here, so.
But then why do you need to?
Why do you need that?
So why do you need to teach us?
Why? Because it's important. Mommies teach us all the time, don't we? So we're going to bring our hands towards our left side. Our knees are going to be close to our chest, and our feet are going to be about kind of a little bit wider than hip distance apart. Okay?
And they look like an M.
Yeah, they look like an M. Good thing, Gabby. So you're going to extend your wings. Then we're going to start to try to move up. So to move up, we're going to go to the side. Go a little bit to the side, Tabitha. Right side. And then move our legs to the side. And then to the other. And use your hands. And use your hands. And use your hands to go around. Sometimes you start moving when you do these movements side to side. You start kind of moving back and forth. In my case, I always end up kind of outside of the mat. Just keep going for another 5, for another 4, for another 3, for another 2, and 1. Raise your arms, raise your legs, bring them again into the center, just shake your legs. We now think we're very strong to start to fly, so we're going to try to get into our feet. So birds have very small legs, yeah, in comparison to us. So we're also going to have small legs. So bring your feet a little bit wider than your hips, maybe as wide as your mat, and go down. You don't really have to go all the way down into Malasana, into squat, because it's very early in the day, and for example, for me, it hurts. But if it's possible, amazing. So you're a bird, you're here, you're trying to really get your legs straight, and getting really strong. God is really not having a good time with it. Malasana. And just start moving into your legs side to side, creating a space. Slowly starts to become easier. Side to side. Now we're going to try to go up. So extend your arms. And then start to fly. Start to fly. Start to fly. Start to fly. And your legs get extended. Oh, nice. Again, as we did sitting down, we're going to move side to side with our wings. Make sure we don't hit each other. And now we're going to wing down. Ooh, really slowly, really slowly, really slowly, really slowly. Go back, move our legs, and again we're going to go up. So legs, arms extended, fly, 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 and fly. Right, so we are now full eagles. We know how to fly. We know how to walk. So we're going to have adventures. So the story is based on a real, well, it's based on a myth and legend of the Indian mythology. And it's also a Thai, it's part of the Thai culture. So it's a really nice story. So it turns out that this eagle, as Garuda, was the king of the birds. And he had a lot of brothers. And imagine who the brothers were. They were serpents. Yeah, and they didn't really like each other. They were kind of sometimes bad brothers to each other.
Fighting a lot?
What?
They fighted a lot?
They fighted a lot, yes, Gabby. So, and one day, the snake brothers decided that, because they were brothers but from different moms, they decided that they were going to slay Garuda's mom. They did a bet, and then they ended up enslaving Garuda's mom, and Garuda decided to rescue mom. So we're going to be strong eagles, and we're going to rescue moms, yeah? Ready, Gabby? Are you going to rescue me? Sounds good. Yeah, so let's start the adventure. So arms extended, feet about hip distance apart, and we're going to start flying down. We're going to investigate what is happening with our mom. Release the hands down. Bring your right foot to the back. And start moving side to side. We're moving into that cave, trying to find where our mom is. Look for your mom, but move in circles. Where is our mom? We can't really see her, so bring the other foot to the back. Bring the knees down. Get really slow. Try to think you're a serpent. So imagine you're a serpent, a snake. Move forward. Get into snake position and start looking for mom. Where is mom?
Well, why did the snakes enslave her?
Because they didn't really like the other mom. Well, they had also done kind of a bet. They had bet something and then her mom lost. So you just move side to side, side to side. Release down. Once again, we have to be very quiet, so really slowly, all the way to the back. Your arms against your heels. Keep looking for your mom. Tap your toes. Start to prepare to fly. To extend your legs. Feel the stretching to the back of the legs. Start walking your legs. Feel the stretch there. Down dog. Look forward, start to go out of the cave. We haven't found mom yet. Once again, come into your manasana, and then we're going to start flying out, flying out, flying out, flying out. We're going to do that one more time to try to look for our mom, okay? So one again. Go down, 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 down. This time, our left leg is going to go back. Then move forward and to the side. We're looking for our mom, so we're looking around. Make big circles around your legs. Can you find her? I cannot see mom. Bring the other foot to the back. Bring the knees down. The chin and the chest. Look for your mom. Now you see a lot of snakes, so everyone is a snake. Pretend you're going to be a snake, otherwise they're going to find you. Move side to side, look to your feet. And slowly, really slowly move to the back. Stop your toes, downward facing dog. We're preparing to go out of the cave. We haven't found mom, so we need to do one more movement. Slowly walk to the front. Get into your squat. Try to see if there's anyone in the entrance. There's no one. And now we're going to escape the entrance and fly. One more time, but this time we're going to find mom for sure. We think mom is at the back of the mat. Yeah, the back of the cave. Do we think that, Gabby? Yeah, you found mom, but you think mom is on the back of the mat. Right, so prepare your wings. We're going to fly into the cave. Cave down. Bring your legs, come into your malasana, come to your squat. Hands down. Right foot to the back. One more time. Circles around. We're going to add a new movement to see if we can find mom here. So we're going to bring our foot, or the inner side of our front foot up. And we're going to move towards your left side.
Like this.
And it's a bit of a funky movement. Yeah.
It's
So instead of moving inside, we're going to move out. So the left leg is going to be kind of in front of us. And our right hip is going to go down. Beautiful, nice. Now open and look. Use your hand to look for your mom and start moving up and down. Look. This is called boomerang pose.
Yeah.
So look for the mom. Look for the mom. We cannot find her, but we think we hear something at the back. So we're going to investigate. Bring our other foot to the back. Bring the knees down. Chest and chin, breathe slowly. We're going to go to the back of the mat, so we have to pretend to be snakes. Snake yourself out. Move side to side. Now as you move back into the mat, pretending still to be a snake, we're going to walk our hands towards the back of the mat. Come into Malasana, come into a squat to get really low. Look for mom, look for mom. And we're going to turn, try to turn like we are. Yeah, so we're going to try to jump using our wings and try to find if mom is to the back. We think mom is to the back. Ready? Prepare your wings. You're going to try to do a big jump, careful, and go all the way to the back. Jump! Oh, we found mom. But we also found all the other snakes. So, because all the snakes are out, sit down. We have to talk with the snakes because the snakes are furious because we're inside their cave. So sit down, open your legs again as we did, and we're going to use chit chat with our brothers and sisters to see what they want. So while we talk with our brothers and sisters, once again, move side to side as we did at the beginning. So our sisters and brothers say that they are happy to release our mom, but that we have to bring them a secret honey that is going to make them immortal. And that secret honey is being guarded by the gods. So the gods are not going to be happy if we take that honey. But nonetheless, we really want our mom with us. So we decide, what are you going to do, Gabby? We're going to rescue mom or?
Okay.
Yes? Right, so we decided to rescue mom. Go back to the back of your mat. So we get in position. We're going to get into your malasana. Ready? And we're going to jump to the front. Jump! Look into the front. And this time, because they already found us, it doesn't really matter. We just walk to the front. Extend your legs. Bring this time your left leg to the back. We're going to just make sure we didn't leave any feathers out. So move circles around, circles around, circles around. And this time we're going to allow our left hip to go down. Boomerang on the other side. Moves up and down. We're going to make sure we didn't leave anything of the cave. So look into the cave. And slowly release your hands forward. Bring both feet to the outside of our hands. Sit as an eagle and prepare to start flying. So slowly fly up, fly up, fly up. Okay, we have a mission. We have to go to the gods. We have to steal the honey and we have to bring it back to the snakes. So this is the whole sequence today. Ready? Can we warm up? Okay, hands hands forward. This time, bring your feet together. Jump. Bring your feet together. And we're going to go into our famous Garuda position. So bring your right leg up. Bring the leg around the other one. And we are official eagles now.
What is the pose called?
It's called Garudasana, eagle pose.
Oh.
Right? So we're going to keep the balance here and we're going to start flying. Flying and flying to visit the gods.
And Garuda is another name for eagle?
What? Garuda? Yeah. He's the king of eagles. So fly, fly, fly all the way into the gods. Try to keep the balance for 3, for 2, and 1. Now we can see the leg. So we're going to get our right knee up into our chest. Bring that foot all the way to the back. And left. We're going to become really strong and powerful because we have to fly the guts and we have to get that honey for our mom. So prepare, we're going to prepare for battle. Move side to side. Prepare, make your warrior faces. Are we prepared to rescue mom? Yay, we're prepared to rescue mom. Right, extend the legs. Bring both heels down. Look to the side of the wall. Get really, really, really tall. And now we can see that the leg with all the honey is all the way under us. So we're going to dive down. Get really, really tall. Extend your arms and then dive down with your hands. Dive down. We're exploring the leg to see what's the best place where we can get the honey. So explore it, move side to side, move to one leg and then to the other. And now we realize that the best way to find the honey is all the way to the back. So we're going to bring our hands all the way around and to the back of the mat. As we did before, do our boomerang. So bring your left hip down, open. And we're going to grab a little bit of honey. Return to the center. Extend. Rotate all the way to the front. Bring the honey up. Keep the hands together. And move all the way to the front and as an eagle. So bring your knee into the chest and become an eagle. We're going to put that honey into our foot. So put it into your foot and wing out. Oops! I think we let the honey off. That was not a good decision. So we're going to try again. Okay, bring your right knee up, release the foot. We have to go back into that leg. It was not a wise decision to put it into our hands, into our feet. Yeah, not a wise decision. Yeah, yeah. Okay, extend the legs now. We're going to try with the other leg. Bring your left leg into the chest. Yeah, ready? Bring it around your other leg. To go. Prepare to fly. Get a little bit balance here. Hold the balance for 5. Hold the balance for 4. Hold the balance for 3. Hold the balance for 2. And 1. Bring the knee to the chest. Then move it all the way to the back. Get prepared as a warrior. Again, we're warriors. Move side to side. Getting prepared to rescue your mom. Again. Move all the way, look into the other side of the wall. Get really, really tall. Get stretch. This time, we are deciding to really catch the honey. So we're going to fly down, fly down, fly down, fly down. Look for the honey. Move side to side. Get really loose into your hips. We're flying around. Woo! Look for the honey. Can you see the honey, Gabby? No. So we're going to look for it at the back of the mat. Turn all the way to the back of the mat. Bring your right hand down, your right hip down, open into boomerang. And again, move side to side. Look for the honey. We can see a little bit of honey at the back of our legs. So try to grab it. Grab it, Gabby. Move towards the front. Rotate, circle all the way to the other side. Inhale, lift. Bring the honey up. Put it into our chest. And now we're going to move all the way to the front of the mat. But now, you know, we need to glide and we need to take the honey. So once again, well, but then how do you like close the wings? So we have to put it on our feet.
No, not again.
Put it into the feet. Then this time grab it really strongly, grab it really strongly. Bring your legs around and then start to fly. For 5, for 4, for 3, for 2. Oh, we drop a little bit of honey.
I have some.
You have some?
I didn't put them in my feet. No.
But then you haven't been able to fly, Gabby. You have to put it in your feet. We drop it again, so we're going to try it one more time. But this time, the gods know that we're coming, and they put a big, strong elephant and a big, strong horse to look for us. It's going to be a little bit harder, okay? So we're going to start preparing. Bring our right knee into a chest one more time. Set yourself into a Garuda pose, into an eagle pose, and then start flying around. Because we really want to be strong, this time we're going to combine the strength of our legs with the strength of our arms. So we're going to bring our right arm on top of the left and try to, once again, go and kind of circle them around. Or do a double cat spin. A double cross spin. Try to get really small. Try to get really small. Getting a lot stronger here, using our legs to get stronger. Slowly bring the knee to the chest. Keeping the hands as they are, bring that foot all the way to the back. Prepare as warriors and move side to side. Keep the arms as they are. Now extend the legs, turn to the side, bring the hands down to side, keep the arms as they are. We now know where the honey is, but we're just going around the leg.
Kitty cat outside.
Okay, cat outside.
That's Tabby, our cat.
Move all to the other side. We have to turn this time to the back of the mat again, but we have our hands like this, so we can keep the honey. We're going to bring our knee down, extend our leg, grab the honey to the side.
Ow.
We're going to twist, a really funny twist here. Are you okay, Gavita?
Yeah, I hit my knee.
You hit your knee. Grab the honey. Ready?
No.
Keep it into your arms. We're going to keep it into our arms. Extend the leg. Inhale, move all the way to the other side. Get really tall again. Once again, fly around, returning all the way to the front of the mat. Turn. Bring that knee into the chest. Get into an eagle pose.
Double twist.
Double twist everything. Make sure your honey is safe in between your hands. And we're going to fly with the strength of our inner side. So we're going to fly, fly. Lower your legs down. Our wings are hidden.
And how come we fly?
Well, we're flying with magic.
Of course.
Come all the way down into our seats. Keep the legs as they are. Keep the arms as they are. Release the honey to the front of the cave. Bring the hands down. Your right foot is going to move to the back. Circle around. We have to get really small in order to get into the cave. Maybe we go all the way down into our elbows.
You know, because we could have used magic to take the honey.
Yeah, it would have been a lot difficult. Bring your hands down, bring your feet to the back. Find your plank. Bring the knees down. Make sure you grab the honey. Move all the way to the back. Snake around, snake forward. Get tall. Feel like a snake. You have to become like one of your brothers. Elbows down. Move to the back. Move all the way to the back of the wall. We're going to bring the honey to our brothers. We're going to try to lift into our foot. Start falling. 1, 2, 3. Try it, Gabby. Nice. And we're going to try to jump all the way to the front, all the way to the back. 1, 2, 3. And we bring the honey to our brothers, the snakes. Leave it down. Bring the hands down. Move your right foot to the back. And again, move the elbows down or stay up. We're going to speak with our brothers. So our brother said, this honey is not enough. You have to go all the way back. Yeah, and our brothers are a bit funny. So we now have to go back once again into that lake, get a little piece of another honey, but we're going to do it through the other side, so the goats don't find us. Ready, Gabby? Bring both feet to the front. This is the last time we go for honey. We know how to get it. Come into, yeah, I think so. Come into a squat. Ready to jump? 1, 2, 3, jump. Beautiful. Extend the legs. Walk the hands to the front. Find your down dog. Beautiful. And walk slowly all the way to the front. Open your feet as wide as the mat or as wide as the hips. Sit down into your squat. Find your malasana. Start to go out of the cave. Flight. Last side, guys. Bring your left knee up. We're going back into the leg. Circle that leg around the other leg. Now our left arm is going to go under. And again, we're going to make a double circle or double cross with our arms. We're going to start going into that leg using the strength of our magic, really strong magic eagles. Bring that knee into the chest. Bring the foot all the way to the back. Keep the arms as they are. Lift and then prepare for battle in case you find somebody. Extend the legs, get really tall. Now we're going to start exploring the leg. Moving down, moving your elbows towards your heels. Finding a space into the hips. Without dropping or without changing the positioning to our hands, we're going to move all the way to the back, rotate. Yeah? Can you do it, Gabby? And we're going to start looking for the honey. So bring the back knee down, extend the front leg, and we'll see that the honey is towards the left side. So move and twist towards the left side. Try to get as twisted as you can here. Ready, Gabby? Did you get twisted? Yeah? Grab the honey. Bring it to the front. Ready? We're going to bring both feet together to the front of the mat. To the back of the mat, sorry. Sitting into squat. Ready? Oh, sorry. Keep the legs to the back, I forgot. Extend the legs. Inhale. Raise up. Raise up. Explore the leg before we go. Making sure we haven't left anything. Now move all the way to the front. Bring the knee into the chest. Garuda your legs, and we're going to go back into the cave. Right? Ooh. This time I'm having a hard time. Keep the honey into your hands. Now, we finally arrived to the cave. Bring one more time that knee to the chest. Bring the foot down. Open, find your squat. Keep the hands as they are. Release down. Keep the hands as they are. Bring your left foot to the back. And start to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
We all need to act like as if they already know.
Yeah, exactly. So bring the other foot to the back. Find your snakes. Move to the front. Get into your snake position. Move all the way to the back. Inhale, lift. Tuck your toes down.
Oh no.
And we're going to try to lift without falling all the way to the back. Yeah?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. Didn't do it.
Try it. 1, 2, 3. Right. We're going to jump all the way to the back of the cave. 1, 2, 3. Release the honey down, leave it down. This time we're going to sit down because we're going to have a big talk with our brothers. Once again, our legs are wide as the mat, a little bit wider than the mat. And we're just, while we talk, in order to take it easy, we're just going to move side to side. Okay. So our brothers have decided that that honey is enough, but the gods have said if that honey is given to the snakes are going to cause a lot of trouble. So the god of the sun is going to come, has come and has taken that honey out. So move to the side, grab that honey being the sun, you're going to circle like the sun, circle, 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 circle around, leave the honey to the other side, grab the honey, circle, 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 return to the back of the mat so we can grab the other part of the honey, inhale, circle, 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 and leave it forward.
And you could switch it with like real honey.
We could have switched it with real honey, that's a good thing. Yeah.
And then they also
So at the end of the story, our sisters and brothers have released their mother, but they don't have the honey. So they are very, very angry. So what happens? The snake is gonna try to eat the snakes, but because we're not really that bad, and we really like our brothers and sisters, what we have decided to do is we have decided to do a party with our brothers and sisters. Yeah, instead of eating them. I don't like that end of story. So we're going to eat, make a party, so you just move around, make a party. Your snake brothers and sisters are now very happy.
But the real ending is that he eats their brother.
Yeah. I know, some of the stories are not really nice.
And also the snake shouldn't eating him before.
That's true. Right. Move all the way to the front of the mat. We have party a lot. Make sure your feet are as wide as the mat. And slowly start to go all the way down. We're preparing for a little bit of rest. It has been a long day. We had to go to the lake 4 times. We had to go to that cave 4 times. No more, 8 times. So we're really tired. Really, really tired. So just lie down. And we're going to do a little bit of sleepy yoga, nidra yoga. So you find the nicest position you can find. Maybe get really close to your mom. For a lot of us, it's really nice when we get close to our mom. We have freed our mom, so our mom is with us now. And our mom can take care of us. So these little eagles are going to go to sleep. The little eagles have their mom with them. The little eagles are going to start releasing any tension. Bring the hands to either side, your hands facing up. You can keep the knees bent or the legs extended. And we're going to speak about not being really able to sleep sometimes. So sometimes it's really, really difficult to sleep. Isn't it, Gabby? And there is lots of ways of falling asleep. One way, for example, is reading. But we can also use our imaginations to get stories so we can fall asleep. Okay? So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do a story. We're going to think our Garuda story and how Garuda went and freed her mom, his mom. So put that Garuda in your mind and imagine you are little eagles. With that little eagle, we're going to go all the way around our body. We're going to fly around our body, making sure we bring all that honey that we have brought, all that power that we have got around our body. So every inhale, we're going to really take energy from outside. Take it all deep inhale. With every exhale, release any tension that we have in our body. Once again, really deep inhale. Exhale. Now we're going to imagine the best moment we have had with our moms. Try to look in your memory for that time you really had a lot of fun with your mom. And concentrate in that moment. Do you have it in mind? Do you have it in here?
No.
No? Write it. What is the best time? Like the thing that you love doing with your mom?
Playing a board games.
Mm. Crunchy. Being on bed all together. So imagine you're doing that with your mom. Running around the grass, being on a river, being on a lake, being on the beach. What is your favorite activity with your mom? Cooking, baking. Just put it into your mind. And get all those sensations associated with that. How does that make you feel? It makes you feel safe. It makes you feel secure. Makes you have fun. How do you feel? Bring all the positive memories. Get really, really into that space or that moment, and really get into the details. What do you do with your mom? What's the thing that you eat? What is the thing that you love to eat with your mom? What is your favorite recipe from your mom? Taste it. Mmm. Try to remember how your mom smells. Mmm. In your eyes, try to imagine your mom, even with the eyes closed. On your ears, go back and hear your mom singing you lullabies. Whenever we feel alone or whenever we are having problems falling asleep, we have to know that our moms are always there. Always there. Inside our memories, inside the things that we have done. So we always have tools inside our heads to bring them back and get that safety that we need to fall asleep. Really concentrate on those happy moments. A little bit like Harry Potter when you're doing a Patronus. Bring that happy moment into your life. Instead of making a Patronus, make a dream. And use a dream to release you there. If you feel really sleepy now, you can stay down here. Otherwise, you can start bringing movement into your hands and your feet. Really open your feet wide. Separate your toes, bring movement there. Maybe move your feet side to side, as we did when we were hatching our eggs. Slowly bring the knees into the chest, go back into that egg shell position. Hug, and go back and imagine how great it was when we were an egg inside our mummies. There was a lot of food. It's great, but it's also great to be ourselves. It's also great to be outside in the world. Move side to side, side to side. Allow your knees to go to the right side. Just release the knees to the right side. Now open your arms and look towards the left. Try to make a big stretch here. Feel the stretch into the side of your body. Move the knees into the chest, change sides, change places. Knees move towards the left, look towards your right side. Once again, find space. Really get the stretch into your spine. Allow both of your hands to go towards the left. Get into a cuddle. Once again, go back into that happy memory with your moms. Today we had a happy ending. We rescued your mom, and then we had a picnic with our brothers and sisters and a big party. Use your hands to lift yourself up, going into sitting position. Keep the eyes closed. Keep that happy memory into your mind. That happy memory, like the Patronus in Harry Potter, can be used at any moment when we are afraid, when we're not feeling safe, to keep that happy memory into our minds. And thank your moms for giving you that happy memory. Even ask the adults here. Bring that in mind. Thank your mom for all those happy memories. Keeping all those happy memories into our mind, move forward. And if we're having our moms close by, let's come and hug each other. We can make lots of more happy memories. The one we have in our mind is not the only one. So hug. And prepare to have a nice, beautiful Sunday where we can make lots more of memories, yeah?
Ice cream Sunday.
Ice cream Sunday.